menu open. Inside this I am putting left like 0. Okay friends, if I show you, let's have a look. You can see we are getting all the things right here. We have just removed the sidebar. Only we are getting the logo and the horizontal bars. Only one color is just visible here. Don't worry, I'll be making it fixed. Okay. Now again I'll be changing the breakpoint, and there we'll be using maximum width. Very first I have used maximum. Right now I'll be using minimum. Coming back to the bracket. Here I am putting maximum actually. And also you can see we have the orange type color. So just put here. I am removing this important from here. You can see it has got visible here. If I decrease its size, yep, we are getting here. See, on this position we are getting the logo and the icon here. See here. Wow. Okay, we have to make the pen visible here. It's not working right actually. Also I'm gonna using some another breakpoint, okay, or just leave it. It's working kind of cool. So friends, let's do the work for the rest span tag, which is containing the horizontal bars. Only one horizontal bar is visible there. Okay, so you can see we have the toggler menu, right? Inside this toggler menu, I'm just going to this span tag, and here I'm gonna adding some box shadow. Okay, then it will be work beautifully. Here I'm putting some values. Okay. So friends, we have added box shadow. Right now we'll take a look how it's coming. As you can see on the normal position like desktop view, we are not getting any logo here, and also we are not getting any hamburger menu. But as I am decreasing its size, yep, you can see it is just coming the logo and the hamburger menu. So this is called responsive navigation menu. If I click on it, you can see it is not coming up because we have to add some JavaScript to this. Then it will start working beautifully. But for now, it is just looking cool, isn't it? So friends, in the next class, I'm gonna working for this toggle menu button. So when we'll click on it, we'll get all the sidebar coming up from the left to right direction here. Okay, so I hope you enjoying. So friends, stay tuned, see you in the next. Till then, keep practicing. Friends, right now we have to make this hamburger menu working. Okay, you can see it is not working right now. So for this we'll add some jQuery CDN plugin and it will start working. Okay, so coming back to the index page, right now going to the Google. Okay, and here simply search jQuery CDN. After searching, you will be getting the very first link called jQuery CDN. Click on it. Now very first we have jQuery 3.x. Simply click on this uncompressed and make sure to copy this part from here to here. Go back to the index file, okay, and here I am putting a script. Inside the script I am giving source and just pasting inside this. Friends, you can see we are getting too much white space. Okay, so just delete it. Okay, now the second CDN file which we need is jQuery migrate. So here we have, simply search to Google jQuery migrate 3.0.0. Okay, you can see we have jQuery migrate libraries CDN.js. So make sure to click on this one. Okay, after clicking this link, you will be getting this page like jQuery migrate. See, this is the link. Now we have the version. Click on this arrow and select 3.0.0. Okay. Very first CDN file we have jQuery migrate.min.js. This is the minified version. Make sure to copy this. Okay. Come back to the bracket. On the index page just below to this, I am adding it. I am putting a script. Inside the script I am giving source, and inside this I am just pasting it. So finally we have linked two files from the jQuery. First is jQuery this version, then we have jQuery migrate. Okay, now we need to put some custom JavaScript, okay, to call the hamburger menu work. Okay, so I'm just making it work here. Very first I'll be specifying function that will be having some variable, and also we'll add some toggle class, and then if I have to open the sidebar responsive navigation, that time we have to call the main class for the sidebar and everything. Okay, so let's do. So friends, let's take a look how it's worked there. I'm refreshing it. Yep, friends, it is working cool. See, on this position we are not getting any hamburger menu. This time we are getting just the sidebar. But as I am decreasing the browser size, you can see we are getting the logo, hamburger menu as well. If I click on it, it is getting this appeared. When I am clicking on it, it is just coming up. It's looking cool, isn't it? So friends, in this class we have created this beautiful responsive sidebar menu from very scratch. I hope you enjoyed it. Now in the next class I'll be working for some different section. Okay. So while waiting, let's take a look what we are gonna creating right now. Friends, previously we have created this. Right now I am gonna working for this, which is containing the image, social media icons and some text, button, everything. So while waiting, let's do it. Hi, welcome back. Friends, in the previous class we have worked for this navigation bar, and this is responsive. See here. Friends, right now in this class I'm gonna creating some different